we walk through this beautiful place, and take time to view the nature around us, we can feel the peace it gives and the life it provides. The trees, the fresh air, the land around us remind us of how important nature is in our everyday lives. This peaceful place tells a story. As a story of life, balance, and change. But behind this beauty, changes are quietly happening. Changes that many people do not always notice. Today, as we continue this walk, we will talk about nature, climate change, and how these changes are affecting our environment and ecosystem. This blog is not just about what we see today, but about understanding what might happen in the future if we do not take action. By appreciating nature and learning about its challenges, we can begin to understand why protecting our environment is a responsibility we all share. This is our community. A place we live in every day. But something is changing. Hotter days, stronger rains, changing season. Our ecosystem is affected.
Hi everyone, welcome to our group vlogs. Today we'll explore something very important, climate change and how it affects the local ecosystem in our community. Together with my group mates, we will show real changes happening around us and explain why taking action is matters. Let's start.
What is climate change? Climate change means long-term changes in temperature and climate patterns. It caused mainly by human activities like pollution, burning fossil fuels, and cutting down trees. Because of this, our planet is heating up faster than ever and our community is already feeling the effects.
Our town has experienced strong typhoons in recent years. Rainfall has become unpredictable, sometimes too heavy, causing sudden floods. This damage homes, crops, and daily routines.
Another effect of climate change is rising temperatures. Summer slows hotter and dry season lasts longer. This causes heat stress in people, animals in plants, water dries faster, and many areas experience drought during long dry periods. Climate change affects the living things around us. Some birds and insects are becoming less common. Fish populations in rivers or seas are changing because the water temperature is rising. When one species disappears, the whole food chain is affected.
Farmers struggle because seasons are no longer predictable. Sometimes it rains during dry season. It becomes too hot for crops to grow. That means less harvest and higher prices in markets. Climate change affects food security, local livelihood,
Even though climate change is a big problem, we can take actions in our own community. Plant trees, segregate waste properly, reduce single-use plastic, save electricity and water, join clean-up drives, support environmental programs, be informed and educate others. Small actions become powerful when many people do them.
Climate change driven by human activities disrupts ecosystem by altering temperature, rainfall and extreme weather leading to habitat loss. Biodiversity decline and reduce ecosystem services. This change create harmful feedback loops that worsen global warming and threaten both nature and human livelihoods. Protecting and strengthening ecosystem through emission reduction and adaptation is essential for climate stability and human well-being. Climate change and ecosystem are closely connected, as healthy ecosystems help maintain climate stability. Understanding these relationships shows that addressing climate change requires protecting the environment while applying effective mitigation and adaptation strategies that support both nature and human well-being.
Climate change is not just a future problem, it is happening now. And its effects are being felt by people all around the world. Stronger typhoons, extreme heat, flood and rising sea levels. This is clear signs that our climate is changing. These disasters destroy homes, affect food production, damage ecosystem, put lives at risk, especially in vulnerable communities.
One important lesson from climate change is that human actions matter. Activities such as burning fossil fuels, cutting down forests, and producing too much waste increase greenhouse gases that trap heat in the atmosphere. Because of this, the Earth's natural balance is disturbed, leading to more frequent and intense disasters. Climate change affects everyone. So, everyone must be part of the solution. Most importantly, climate change teaches us to care for our planet. The Earth is our only home, and protecting it means protecting our future. By acting now, we can reduce the impact of climate disasters and create a safer, healthier world for the next generation.
Climate change is real and it's affecting our community now. We hope these blogs help you understand what's happening and inspire you to take an action.